In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in an email campaign in Getresponse. Let's jump straight into the email editor. Once you're inside the editor for your newsletter or automation message, the first thing you want to do is add a space where your GIF will live. On the right-hand side, you'll see different types of blocks you can drag into your layout. Look for the image block. Click and drag that image block into the exact spot in your email where you want the GIF to appear. You can place it between text sections at the top as a header or near your call to action, depending on your design. After you've dropped the image block into your layout, click directly on that block. This will open a sidebar on the right with image settings and options. In that sidebar, click the button labeled Browse. This takes you into your image library, where you can either upload your own GIF or pick one from the built-in library. If you already have a GIF file you want to use, choose the option to add your own file. Click Add Files, then locate your GIF file on your computer. Once you've found it, select it and upload it to your Getresponse library. When the upload is finished, you'll see it appear in the list of available images. Click Use to insert that GIF into the image block you added earlier. It should now display right inside your email preview. If you don't have a GIF yet, or you want to explore some ready-made options, you can use the Giphy integration that's built into the image library. In the same library window, select the Giphy tab. You'll see a search bar where you can type in a keyword related to the mood or topic you want, like celebration, sale, or thank you. Browse through the results, and when you find a GIF that matches your message and brand style, click Insert. The GIF will automatically be placed into your image block in the email. Once your GIF is in place, it's time to fine-tune how it looks. With the image block still selected, look again at the sidebar settings. Here, you can adjust the width of the GIF to make it larger or smaller within your layout. You can also change the alignment to left, center, or right, so it fits nicely with your text and overall design. Take a moment to preview the email to make sure the GIF loads correctly and doesn't overpower the rest of your content. And that's all you need to do to add a GIF to your Getresponse email campaign.